guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing this hair that I have on this wig that I made a while ago. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know I've been wearing this hair for a nice while. It's probably been like a month now, and this hair is from Yiroo hair. I did upload another video basically showing how I got this hair color, the products that I use, etc. So this is going to be a formal review, so I can tell you guys exactly what's been going on since I have been wearing the hair for a nice amount of time in order to give you guys a pretty thorough review. So this hair is from Yiroo hair. I have in 3 bundles of their body wave texture. All 3 bundles are in 22 inches, and I have an 18-inch 5x5 transparent lace closure, which you guys can see how it's been plucked. The knots have been bleached. I've added baby hairs and all of that jazz. So like I said before, you guys already seen the other video. Well, I hope you guys seen the other video. I am going to add it in this video and in the description box below. But I bleached this hair because I just didn't want to wear another natural color wig. So after that, I just used a bunch of Adore hair colors that I had left over, because you know I do color hair with my wig orders for people who actually have me make their wigs. So I had about like 4 or 5 bottles, like half-filled bottles of Adore hair color in different reds, like Rich Amber, Burgundy Envy, Intense Red, basically along the lines of those colors. And I did a watercolor method to obtain this hair color, which I really like. It's been a real success. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hair. But one thing I can say that stuck out the most as far as the quality of this hair is that it was still soft to the touch. It was not brittle or dry after bleaching. And I used 40 volume developer when I did bleach this hair, and that's mainly like a big thing when it comes to bleaching, just how the texture of the hair will end up changing. Because when you bleach your natural hair, like of course you're stripping the color, the pigment off of the hair strands of the hair shaft, so you're gonna lose moisture. But this hair did not feel dry or brittle at all, which is what I really liked. And then on top of that, the hair was still shiny. So I haven't washed the hair at all actually since I colored it. So it's been a nice amount of time that's gone by since I made this wig and since I colored it, and it's not weighed down. It's not like napping up in the back of my neck. I can still run my fingers through it easily. And another thing about this hair is that I really don't get any shedding. Like I get at the most maybe like 2 or 3 strands when I'm brushing it, but I don't get hair falling out. I don't have a red trail following behind me when I go to places. So I really admire this about this hair, for the simple fact, like I said, I used 40 volume developer, and it took me about a whole hour to bleach the entire wig, because I bleached it when it was in wig form instead of bundle form, because I decided when the wig was already made was when I wanted to color the hair. So that was like one of the biggest things that really turned me on to this hair. Now what I will say, as far as like how the hair takes bleach, I didn't use any like aluminum foil to help process the hair when it was bleaching. I just kind of like bleached it and then moved section by section. So the hair did not lift to like a super yellow blonde, except for like the spots in my hair like closer to the top of the tracks near the cap. But as far as like the length of the hair, it didn't really lift super light, which I wasn't too upset about, because I didn't want a super bright red color for this hair. I wanted it to be kind of demure. In certain sunlight it is very bright, but for the most part, when I'm looking at myself right now, it is a very you can see it's red, but it has a burgundy brownish auburn undertone to it, which makes it not too out there. Because don't get me wrong, I love me some fire engine red hair, but that wasn't the look that I was trying to go for with this specific wig. So aside from that, the hair took to bleach really well as far as the quality and how it felt afterwards, and how the shine still, you know, held on to the hair. Another thing, like I said, it doesn't really shed. I haven't been dealing with any like matting or tangling in the nape of my neck. I can still run my fingers through it, and I haven't washed the hair since I colored it, so it's been some weeks. It's been a lot of weeks actually. I think I made this wig over a month ago, but I actually colored this wig I believe November, it was either November 14th or November 15th. It was a Friday. That's all I can remember. So if you go and check November and see which one of those dates was on a Friday, that's the day when I actually colored this wig. And that was the day that I actually, that was the last time that this hair saw water and conditioner and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So you still see the shine. Oh, don't note that. You still see the shine. The luster on this hair is really, really nice. And like I said, for me to use 40 volume developer and to still have the hair moving like it's in this natural color, that's bomb. Okay, I did my birthday photo shoot in this hair and it came out beautiful. Basically, I recommend this hair. I really like this hair off of the simple fact that it's been a while since I washed it, and I'm not dealing with the stiffness from, like, basically in retrospect, in comparison to other companies, when I'll be having hair and I wouldn't wash it like every week or whatever, the buildup would get so intense that the hair will be stiff and greasy and it'll start tangling and matting and stuff like that. I'm not experiencing this with this hair. Like I said before, the bleaching ability, just for it to be bleached with 40 volume and to not be brittle or dry, that's the big thing, especially for my women that like to color their hair, that like to, you know, do multiple color jobs on the hair. So I really, really like that. And I used did I use BW2? No, I didn't. I used Kaleido Colors bleach. If you guys want to see all of the products that I use, make sure you go check out that video, because I have all the products listed in the description box on that video, so you guys can know exactly what I use if you are trying to replicate this, because I had a lot of people telling me that they want to replicate this exact same color, the wig style, all of that stuff. So like I said, this is Yiroo hair, 3 bundles of their body wave texture with an 18-inch 5x5 transparent lace closure. I did get a little bit of the color on the lace because, like I said, I watercolored the entire wig, and red is a pretty intense color. You know, it's not like it's like not wearable, like I couldn't wear it, but I see a slight red tinge to it. But like I said, it's not unwearable. I make it work, and it's not like you see a goddamn red line of demarcation on my forehead, because that'll be a whole nother story. But yeah, guys, I really like this hair. I really do. And I'm going to leave all of the specs and the links for this hair down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair. Because like I said, a lot of companies could never do this, okay? Bleaching, the hair not looking like tumbleweeds and hay and steel wool, okay? It's been a month, almost a month without washing it, and it's still looking good. Go and get you some, okay? Go and get you some. So like I said, make sure you guys check out the description box so you guys can get all of the specs on this hair if you guys missed the things coming out of my mouth. And other than that, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you guys want me to make you a wig, I will also have my information down in the description box below. My wigs are machine made. Durability, it looks better than hand sewing. And yeah, you don't want to walk around with these helmets anymore. You want something that's gonna be laid, fried, dyed, and laid to the side, okay? Make sure you contact me and we can get something set up. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.